What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'll be showing you everything that you need in your survival kit.
I just wanna phantom. I don't care you handsome. You just like the last one. You just wanna have some. I don't got no time for it. Right back on my grind for it. It's a different time zone. I don't got no time for it. I just wanna phantom. I don't care you handsome.
Now school is coming up, and you know, us females, it's always something with us females. To save ourselves from embarrassment, we need to make a survival kit for school. Survival kit is like, you know, you could just put it in your backpack, and if something goes wrong, you can just pull it out. So this is my survival kit. This is my survival kit. It says contents my life, because this is a lifesaver. I call it my survival kit, but it's an emergency kit. Like, you can call it either or. Like I do, I call it whatever I feel like calling it at the moment. So yeah, in your survival kit, you put everything that you think you will need for the school year. So I'm just gonna show you what's in mine, and you guys can piggyback off of mine and, you know, make your own. Now I'm opening it up. The first thing I see right now is solution, my contact solution. With my contact solution, I have my contact cakes. Now, it's nothing in here right now, but eventually I will put an extra pair of contacts in here, just in case, like, I come to school in my glasses on accident, because I do come to school with my glasses on accident. My glasses are not cute. I look like an old lady. Or last year I had a basketball game, and my contact was irritating me, so I took it out, and then when I tried to put it back in, it fell on the ground, and I didn't have any solution. So I had to call my brother, who was like, he was at home. He didn't even know where it was at, but he found it. He brought it to me right before we got on the bus to go to the game. Next thing I have in my survival kit is my charger cord. Because I have a separate one. I have a charger for school and a charger for at home, because sometimes I leave my charger at school and I'm stuck with no charger, because I only have one charger. So this year I'm gonna be prepared. Charger for school, charger for at home. Next thing I have in my survival kit is chapstick. Now, some people put like lip gloss in their survival kit, but I don't really buy lip gloss like that. Like, I only have 2 at the moment, and it's in my purse. Like, both of them are in my purse right now. So chapstick is the way to go. I bought a lot of these, so if I lose this one, I got extra. Next thing I have in my survival kit is tissue. I am a crybaby. If you guys don't know that right now, I am a crybaby. I cry a lot. I can, you know, no more can I go to the bathroom. No, I got this right now. I'm gonna clean it up right now. Or like my nose be running. Like, if you see me in my videos like doing this or like doing that, my nose is running. So yeah, all good. Gum, chewing gum. Now, I don't suggest you get like that big pack for your survival kit. This is your kit. As soon as you start pulling out gum, everybody gonna be like, can I have some? Can I have some? Can I have some? And you're gonna have to be like, no, I got this from my friend. This ain't. So like, I suggest getting like a smaller pack of gum, but you need gum for like, let's say you ate something bad and make your breath stink. Or like me, I chew gum when I'm stressed. When I'm stressed, I chew gum. So yeah, I need this. It's a toothbrush, mouthwash, and toothpaste. Okay, you guys don't really need this, but I suggest that you get a toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash, or just like a toothbrush and toothpaste, or just mouthwash. Let's say you ate something at lunch and it made your breath stink. I don't think that gum is gonna help you, because like, you got food, probably got food stuck in your teeth. So go ahead and run to the bathroom and brush your teeth. Or like me, I'm a cheerleader, and before games I like to brush my teeth, because like, I've been out all day. So before the game, I want to brush my teeth, make sure my teeth are white. Is hand sanitizer. I have smaller ones, but I picked this one in there because I don't want to have to replace the bottle. So yeah, get you some sanitizer, keep your hands clean. Next I have deodorant. You need deodorant. I decided to get men's deodorant because I know men's deodorant is the strongest. So yeah, I keep dropping stuff. Next thing I have in my kit is mascara. I wear mascara a lot. Right now I have on eyelashes, but I do wear mascara like on an everyday basis. I don't wear lashes every day. So like if I'm crying, like I said, I am a crybaby, and my mascara drip, I can just go ahead and clean it up. Now I do have a backup pair of eyelashes just in case like there's an event or something, or like I tried to do my makeup in the morning, didn't have time. I can go ahead and put them on before the game starts and I'll be good. So I got an extra pair of lashes. If you don't wear eyelashes, then obviously you don't need to get an extra pair of lashes, but I do, so got some lashes. I got some eyelash adhesive. So let's say one of my eyelashes is lifting, I could just, you know, snatch it off, put it back on. So yeah, eyelash adhesive. And to put the lashes on, I have an extra pair of tweezers. And this is more for like this. So if I need to, oh, it's backwards. So I need to cut these lashes because they're too long. I got some scissors, so I won't be irritated. And my kit is a mirror. I don't have one of those like handheld mirrors. I have one. It's in my purse. So I got this one when I got a brush. It came with some brush, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna use it here at home, so I might as well take it with me. Next thing, I have some feminine wipes. So say I'm not feeling too fresh down there, you know, feminine wipes. I have extra hair ties for when like I have like a sew-in, or like I say I'm just, yeah, if I have a sew-in and I want my hair in my face, I have some extra hair ties. Or if I have braids like I do right now, this, if I want to put my hair in a ponytail, I got her right here. Because I don't like sharing hair products. Like, I'm not saying that y'all dirty, but I just prefer to use my own stuff. That is bobby pins. Bobby pins for if hair's in a ponytail. I got some flyaways, you know. Slick it up. I would keep like extra edge control in my bag, but right now I only have one. Right now I only have one main edge control, and it's like a small bottle. If I go ahead and get like the bigger bottle, then I'll put the travel size in my emergency kit, but right now I'm using the travel size for like regular. So yeah. Next thing I have in my kit is lotion. Okay, me personally, I be forgetting to lotion my elbows when I get out the shower. So like my elbows be ashy at school, and that be embarrassing. So to save myself the embarrassment, got the jargons. Next thing I have in my emergency kit is an extra pair of earrings. Me, I hate walking out the house with no earrings. It makes me look dead. Like, if I take my earrings off right now, I look basic and boring. Like, I don't even feel cute anymore without my earrings. Like, that's just me though. Like, that's just how I've been like raised. I like, growing up, I always known before you leave the house, put your earrings in. Before you leave the house, put your earrings in. So when I don't have earrings in, I just feel like I look dry. So in my emergency kit, I keep an extra pair of earrings just in case I'm rushing out the house and I leave them. Next thing I have in my emergency kit is a portable charger and the charger for the portable charger. So in some classes you can't like use the wall plug, so my phone's dying and it's the last resort because I always forget to recharge my portables. So last resort, I got a little portable charger from Five Below. Some people keep their headphones in their emergency kit, but I only have one pair of headphones. If I had like AirPods, then yeah, I'll put my headphones in my emergency kit, but I have headphones and I only have one set, so that stays in my purse, and we just gonna pray that I don't lose them. Fingers crossed. Next thing I have in my emergency kit is pads and tampons. If I start my cycle, boom, I'm good for the rest of the day. I'm good for the rest of the day. If I start my cycle and I didn't realize I started my cycle and I got like this big stain in my underwear, I got extra underwear. Boom. You know, just stuff that you need to make it through the rest of the day. Like, so yeah. This is something that all girls need in their emergency kit. Like, some of this stuff, like, y'all might not need, but if anything, you need to pack extra underwear in your emergency kit and extra pads, because I don't bring my I have a pouch with just like pads, tampons, feminine wipes. I don't bring that to school every day because I'm only on my cycle 6 days out the month. So if I unexpectedly start, I got this right here. Makeup removers. So hopefully I won't have this problem this year, but I used to try to rush and do my eyebrows, and my eyebrows be looking a mess. So I be having to like go to the bathroom, take them off. Like, you know what, we're not wearing no makeup today because you done messed your whole face up. Or let's say I do like a good job with my makeup and like I fall asleep, mess something up, you know, just clean up that area, take it off, you know, simple. I also keep pain reliever pills like Aleve in my bag for like cramps or like headaches. Yeah, I keep those pills in my emergency kit. I don't have it yet because I used all the like travel size. I have to get some more travel size pills to put in my emergency kit because I can't bring no big bottle to school and they're gonna take it and then I ain't got no pills. If I took my BC during the day, then I would take my pills, but because I take them at night, this doesn't have to be in my emergency kit. This doesn't have to just be for school. This could be like for when you're on the go, but this is for school for me. That's all that's in my emergency kit. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video or like got some kind of idea on what to put in your emergency kit. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I try to post frequently. Yeah, that's it. Like, that's all I have for you. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I really appreciate you guys. So